today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory low on the application of CapCut. We go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you will search about the application of CapCut and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. And then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of CapCut. Here if you find updates, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us.